So the like operator is used in SQL to search for a pattern in a column's value. It's mostly used in text column, mostly example names, grades, courses. So it used like works with like with wildcards. You can add it with wildcards, like you can add it to the percent, matches 0, 1 or many characters. Mm. Then matches exactly one character, could match more characters. We are going to get this. So these are called wildcards. You still get to use it better. So you start with the word select with the columns you want to select, then the table name you want to select from, then where the column you want to filter, you put the like, then the pattern for matching. Is that clear? So these are the wildcards that we can use, or wildcard patterns. 8% starts with A, it means it should start with A. For example, Alice, Andrew, it's that. Then percentage son ends with son, Jackson, Emerson. So if you put this percent, means it's before, after the percent means it must end with, before the percent means it must start with. You understand? Then it must start with an and end with, so we can just say contains an. It has the word an inside. This one is like contain, not start. This is starts with, end with, contains. Inside as a text, it should contain. So for example, an, Hannah has an, Jonathan has an. You understand? It doesn't matter any position. You understand? So this is how to use it with the percentage. So start with, end with, contains, then underscore value and percent. Second letter is A. That is the second letter must start with A. So if you put 4 underscore, exactly 4 letters. You understand? So you can put 1, you can put as much 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand? So underscore talks about the letter position. So you can put, that means exactly 4. That is the ones that has exactly 4 letters. John, Mark, all of them have exactly 4 letters. The second letter is A. That's how it is. Mary, David. I hope you're good. That's that. So practical example. Find a student whose first name starts with A. Quickly, let's get that done. To do that, yeah, so we will do select. Of course, let's start with the ask everything for test purpose. Select. We are using the students table. Students table. Then we'll see where they will use what is the grade. What are we matching? Is it the student's name? Yes, first name only. So it's first name. Then the word like. Then you put the white card pattern. It must start with what? A. If you start with A, you put A and percentage. So if we run this, let's end the statement, of course, because that's the end. It's best practice. If you run it, you see first name Amy, Ashley, Amber, Anthony. So that's that. Let's get that done. Are we good? So that's about that. Then find student whose last name ends with son. As usual, ends with is percentage, end with right. So you select everything from the students table where the last name ends with what? It ends with son. So ends like the son, percentage son. Now the question I want to ask, what is it case sensitive or not? What do you think? This is Gloria, try it out. Let's see. Is it case sensitive? So this is it is Abi. So son. Let's make this son capital letter. Let's see. It's not case sensitive.
So good morning. What I wanted to find out is that since I'm having exams tomorrow, I wanted to ask if it's okay for me to just be at home and then read for my exams I'm going to have. So I even wanted to ask if I was going to, if I can even get the whole week, so I can just prepare like for the whole week for the exams that I'm going to be having. Since like the time when these other people had exams, they had time to study for this. I don't know if I can also get some time. I can just say, okay, let me just use this week to study. I'll do catching up on the Java class.
We're good to go, right? So we have noticed it is not case sensitive. Then find courses that contains the math word. I don't know whether Matthew or whatever. So let's use what contains start and end with just in the middle. So to contain, we say select everything from the students table where the is the first name, where the oh, it's not student, courses where the course name then starts with it contains math. And if we run this, mathematics, this is very much like if you are searching, sometimes you search for product, you don't spell it right, so there is something. You just say so long as it contains also words, just get the keywords for it and just split it and say so long as this product contains any of these words. For example, you go to Jumia and you search for Apple laptop Core i5, right? They'll split each of them, Apple laptop Core i5, into different parts, then say so long as it contains any of these things. So Find student whose first name has A as the second letter. Has A as the second letter. So quickly select every student from the students table. Well, is it first name? They will say yeah, the first name. First name. Has the second letter. Starts with A. It is not case sensitive. The second letter is A. There is no one. So not remember it's this. There is no slash, just this. If you put 2 here, 2 underscore means the third. You understand? So it's underscore 1 underscore 2. Then the A, the letter should be the third. But for second, you only 1 underscore. For third, it will be 2 underscores. And for fourth, it will be 3 underscore. And if it has exactly 4 letters, 4 underscores exactly, or 3, this is 3 letters. There is no, okay, 4. 1 2 3. So this is first name. No, okay, no. This is exactly 4 letter words. Underscore is 4 letter words. You see all of them has 4 letter words. We good? We good, right? Now let's find all students with exactly 5 letters first name. You put exactly 5 letters. Another way is 5 letters first name. 1 2. Does this work? I do that underscore is, let's use star. Let's see. Exactly 5. 1 2 1 2. Then 1 2 1 2. Then in between it underscore. It's not. Did I make a mistake in making this now? What about 4? So this is wrong. It's not star star. Please put underscore underscore. I should recreate those notes. So underscore underscore means the number of letters before, after, or exact. What about all those ones that has, have you tried this out? Percentage, you know that ends with A is like this, right? You say that ends with A is like this, right? First name ending with A is like this. What about first name that the second letter, the second to the last letter is A? Be like this, right? You're expecting this, right? Based on those pattern. Yes, second to the last letter is A. Third to the last letter is underscore underscore percentage A. And you count 1, 2, 3 from the 1, 2, 3 from the back. We're good, right? So why do we even use the like? Useful for searching text. When you don't know the exact spelling of something. Works well for searching, filtering, and in applications. Helps in data cleaning, finding pattern. Example, wrong emails. So sometimes some people want to put Gmail, and they want to put Gmail. You want to be sure that this person must have the word must. You say those people should provide Gmail only. They go and put gmail.com. So, and you want to be sending text emails to those people. So those wrong one, if you don't filter, if you filter only the ones that are correct, that end with at gmail.com, that means all those ones that are wrongly spelled gmail.com will be filtered out. And when you send your email will be sent exactly to those ones. So in case of those spellings, your report will be saying that they sent 128 emails, while at the actual email that was sent is only 100 because the other 28 was wrong. So before you send your email, you do filtering, and perhaps out of those 128 it returns only 100 because the other 28 are not wrong. So that is another example. Another practical example is a Nigerian number. Anyway, they don't send the numbers. They will. There is this bulk SMS site. Put in list of SMS numbers and they send messages to them. What about wrong numbers, right? Well, I don't think they charge for undelivered messages anyway. So real life use cases. In school database, we might want to find students whose name starts with J, for like Jude and Joel. Then e-commerce, we want to search for products containing the word phone. In hospital, we want to find the patient that is diagnosed, that its diagnosis contains the word flu. HR students search for employee. For example, want to even search for a drug. And I know that drug. It has the word flu inside. Is it flu J flu? I don't know. And if you just type FLU, it contains, and it will bring all those ones that contains those words. Those are practical use cases. So these are classwork. They say find students whose last name starts with O and end with A. Yeah, let's do this. We're good, right? Now, this is the last one. These challenging questions. This is the main one. Let's get this done. Write if remember full name today again. We must get used to this concatenation. Okay, alright.
So that is put Gmail. You want to be sure that this person must have the word must. You say those people should provide Gmail only. So this one there's no one. Let's go and try it out. Let's see. Is it case sensitive? Or split each of them, Apple, laptop, or i5 into different parts. Then say so long as it contains any of those things. So find student whose first name has A as the second letter. Has A as the second letter. Percentage. So if we run this, let's end the statement, of course, because that's the end. Space practice. We run it. You see first name Amy, Ashley, Amber, Anthony.
Right?
So
of course.
that's that.
You have a question? Same thing, of course. None of them. But at least we get the concept. Right? This is the challenging question that I want us to do quickly. Let's do it together. Write a query to find the full name, age, and grade level of students whose first name starts with M and whose last name contains son. Right? Quickly to do that, as usual, you go. Let's go. So we are selecting how many things? We are selecting full name. Full name we are going to, of course, do concatenation. Concatenating the first name with is an empty space. It's best practice to use single quotes. Then
are we good?
We add this one. Then the other one is last name. We want to concatenate these three, and we want to call them what? As full name. Yeah.
So that's about that. Then find student whose last name ends with son.
Then after that, then first name
right?
starts with what? Okay, so full name, age, and grade level. So full name,
select
grade, and age,
students,
and grade level.
The last name
from what table? Is students table. Then filtering where the first name starts with M. So say son. Where first
son.
No.
Now the question I want to ask:
where
What is it, case sensitive or not?
First name.
What do you think?
First
Miss
name.
Gloria, try it out. Let's see. Is it case sensitive?
Say what? The first name is what? Starts with what? M, Abi?
So this
Starts
is
with this.
it is Abi.
Starts with. Remember,
So
starts
son,
with
son,
this.
son. Let's
M
make this son capital
percentage.
letter. Let's see.
We have already affirmed that it's not case sensitive. But well,
It's not case sensitive.
and contains what? Son. And last name contains son. You can break it in different line. You use the same line. It's last name. Last name contains son. It's percentage and the word son.
Since I'm having exams tomorrow,
That's how you can end the statement. And if you run this, it's only Melanie Anderson that has first name starting with what? First name starts with M and last name contains son. Is that? What is the error statement? Did you end the last one?
We're good to go, right? So we have noticed it is not case sensitive. Then find courses that contains the math word. I don't know that math or whatever. So let's use what contains start and end with just in the middle. So to contain, say select.
So that's about that.
Everything from the students table where is it first name? Yeah, oh, it's not student, courses. Yeah,
It's working now, right?
name,
So that's about
first
that.
name.
And we have all the solution there.
Then
So
it
basically,
starts with contains
is the solution. First name, last name
contains math.
as full name, the grade level, students, where first name starts with this, and the
so
last
run
name
this.
ends is containing what? Son. So that's
Mathematics.
these are two conditions using the word and.
This is very much like
So this
you are
will
searching-
combine two
sometimes
like
you search
conditions for
for
pattern
product.
matching.
you don't spell
This
it
is
right,
one like
there's
condition,
something.
another like condition.
Just say
So you can
long as
combine
it
more than one
contains
like.
so
Can
what,
combine a like condition with a in
just get the
condition.
keyword
It doesn't
for
matter,
you
right?
just split it and
Can
say
combine
so
a
long
like
as,
condition with between
this
with
product
in.
contains
It doesn't matter.
any of
You
these
can
words.
combine them with the
For
word
example,
and,
go to
even
Gemini,
with
search
or.
for Apple
So
laptop.
with that, we have treated or,
Or
we have
iPad.
treated and, we have treated
Right.
like, we have treated
They'll
between,
split
we have
each of them,
treated
Apple laptop
Eh?
or i5 into different
order by,
parts.
order by.
Then
That one
say,
is ordering.
so long
We're
as
talking
it
about filtering
contains
conditions.
any objective.
Filtering conditions, we have talked about like, we have talked about between, we've talked about in, and
So-
we say in these three, like between and
Find
in,
student whose first
you
name
could
has
use,
A as
you
the
can
second
use the
letter.
and not,
Has A
and
as
the
the
or.
second letter.
You can even use the not statements. You can use them, you understand, to get the opposite version of whatever is filtering. So if you put what you are saying with the not is just directly opposite. I can just say,
Select
if you put first
every
name
student
like
from the
this,
students
you can
table.
put not like, it's not like, you can put not
Well,
like.
Is it first name that you say you had the first name?
It should not contain son as the last name. If you run it, it still works.
First
Please,
name.
that's about that. Let's end today's class. That's about that. So it's going to directly refer to the opposite. So
As
in
the
the case you have any
second-
question as well, you can always drop your question. That's about that. It's a nice class, and we wish you a wonderful day. Welcome. What's your name again?
Starts with A. It is not patience.
Temilade Ekab.
Secondly, type.
Is it Demilade or Temilade? Demian.